I'm still trying to figure it out, but based on all the decades of thinking about it, I think that the industry has become much more high tech than it ever has been. You really need some strong technical math and solving critical issues. Being able to solve issues is a big thing. I don't necessarily know that our schools are promoting manufacturing as a career like they should. I don't know how all that works. I don't know if they're getting kickbacks from the colleges and the universities based on how many people come to their school. Don't know how that works. Don't even want to go down that path. I think that there's still an image problem that the parents are believe that their children must have a 4-year education for them to be successful.